Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check in online for Japan Airlines. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is open up a web browser and go to this site here, or you can Google Japan Airlines. Now on the main screen here, we want to scroll down and we've got an option here for boarding check-in. So go ahead and click onto that. Now we've got two different type of check-ins. So for domestic flights, we want to go ahead and click on the e-ticket itinerary, or if you're doing an international flight, we want to go ahead and click on the online check-in. Now we want to go ahead and do this from 24 hours to 60 minutes to the departure. So I'm going to start with domestic flight, so we need to click on the e-ticket itinerary. So this is going to take us to a new web page. Then from here we can go ahead and manage our booking. Now to the right we need to fill out this information. So if you are a non-JMB member, we need to please enter the last and first name. So jot in your last name, first name, your boarding date, your carrier, your flight number and your booking number, and go ahead and click search. Then on the next page, go ahead and confirm your passenger and flight details. You can choose or change your seat if it's available, and then complete your check-in and download or print your boarding pass. And now it's going to be the same for the international check-in. So I'm just going to go back and quickly show you how to do this. So boarding check-in, international flights, online check-in. Then again, we need to go ahead and put in our booking reference or a ticket number. Put in your ticket number reference, your departure date, your family name, your given names, your airline code, your flight number. Click continue. And again, you want to go ahead and confirm passenger flight details, choose or change your seat if it's available, and then complete the check-in and download or print your boarding pass.